I just finished meeting with two different clients in two different homes. One client needs a really fast timeline, and one client needs a much more slow timeline. Here's why I love both of those types of jobs. So, the client who needs a really fast timeline is moving here from out of state, and she did not have time to edit her collections and declutter her home. She did not bring in a professional to organize her move, so it's pretty chaotic for her, and she's already overwhelmed, and the moving truck hasn't even arrived yet. So when it gets here, my team is going to make sure that we greet the movers, that we organize her floor plan, that we organize her boxes, and we unpack and get everything really, really smooth for her. And it's going to be hard and fast and a lot of hours in a short amount of time so that when she gets here, she and her family are really settled and happy. It's going to be a lot, but I love it. The other client, in 18 months, she plans to start shopping for her condo. So we're going to very slowly, over the course of 18 months, help her edit all of her collections, help her let go of the things that don't mean anything to her anymore, help her donate the things that she wants to give to someone who would love them, help her make sure that her kids and her grandkids get the things they want, so that when she moves, she's only moving what she needs and wants, what will fit nicely into her new condo. She's going to save a time of money and stress on that move, and she's going to really enjoy the process. So both of these are the types of jobs that we love, and I'm so happy that they reached out because they deserve to be happy.